Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now, I'm just going to tell you, we got a good one. It is what we would call a flat deck fifth wheel on a travel trailer. This is a 2025 Jayco Eagle HT, model number 294 CKBS. So let's get started. The length on this Eagle is 37 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 9,470 with a hitch weight is 1,280 with a GVWR of 11,700 pounds.
Yes, so guys, if you love the layout of a traditional fifth wheel with rear living, but you don't like the stairs, this is going to be the one you definitely want to look at. We'll start right up front. Your propane, of course, will go under this cover. Now, if you're interested in trailer hitches, locks, hang around to the end of our video, and we have got a great product with proven industries we want to share with you. Moving down the side. Of course, all of your hookups will be here. Now, this is one side of your pass-through, and you see that you are going to have electronic leveling on this. You've got a water filtration system that's already in place.
Tank pulls are in here.
Pull handles right there.
Whew.
Yeah.
And we're not kidding. This one kind of caught your eye a little bit, didn't it?
It did, just a little bit. So you've got some storage here, which is actually going to be under your bed.
Tankless water heater.
And it is white, so it blends in with your side. Your 50 amp plug-in. You do have a dump area right there.
You know, I also would like to give a big shout out to Phil. Phil, you love these Floorplans, so this is for you, brother.
All right, this is actually going to have your MORryde CRE 3000 suspension on it. I do like Eagle's graphics. They are a nice neutral, well done, and they just look very nice. Here at the back, you're going to have a ladder to access your roof. It is prepped for a backup camera. You do have a hitch down here, but this is not for towing, so this is going to be for an accessory rack only. Quick connect is going to be right there.
There's your J-port.
You do have a place for that to go in, and you have an outside shower right next to it.
That is very convenient.
Very nice. Okay, here is your campsite. Nice big slide here. It is prepped for slide toppers if you want to add those. And your power awning is 14 feet. I like that they put your speakers down low, and you actually have a light switch right there for outside.
Wow.
And then here is the other side of your storage. They give you a light, cable connections, power if you want to bring a TV out here.
And your radio, systems
yeah.
out here. Goodness.
All right, let's see what the inside's going to look like. And yes, when we walked in, it was talking to us and told us that it was in Bluetooth mode. Okay, as you can see, this is basically just like your traditional fifth wheel rear living layout. So like we do in those, we'll start right back here at the back. This is going to pull out, make some additional sleeping. Nice big window back here. Today we have a really good view of the highway. Lovely. There's going to be some storage across the top on this one.
Well, I was waiting for the BM Pro to come on so I can turn the rest of the lights on.
Well, it was too busy telling us that it was Wi-Fi.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, Bluetooth mode, yes. On each side of this, you are going to have some little end tables. There's going to be power and USB on both of those. Yeah, again, this does make sleeping. It's got a sofa, couch, sofa, hide-a-bed in it. And this is really nice, soft material. It is not the pleather or fake leather or whatever you want to call that. On your front slide out is going to be your theater seat.
Man, these windows.
Yeah, and big windows. And blackout shades on all of them. Again, you got this neat little desk area that just slides down in your cup holder. It'll come out if you don't need it. Got some storage here to put your remotes. Then let me turn around here. Oh, goodness. Oh, this is comfortable. This is what, the 8th one we've recorded today?
Oh, yeah.
I might just sit right here for a while.
Okay, go right ahead.
All right, right above your TV, as you can see, you do have some storage up there. This looks like a 50-inch TV. No.
48 maybe?
Probably a 48. I don't think it's quite a 50. But it's a good size. Then you've got a little nook right under it that you can put some remotes in there. Your radio control is just to the right of it, and you have got this great electric fireplace for those cooler mornings. Now, Jayco has gotten away from the vents in the floor, so you can see that there's one right there at the end of your island, one right there. But now moving into your kitchen. Nice big GE microwave up here in this one. You're going to have a 3-burner cooktop, good size oven, and a matching drawer underneath. Got some storage next to it. Now this is not going to have solid surface in it, but you do have some space there next to your oven with a plug-in. You could probably get your coffee pot back there if you really wanted to. You do have a bit of a pantry area here, and you see that it goes all the way down to the floor.
You know, I was just going to say real quick, I know some of our subscribers, they follow Bob and Carrie with Life Redesign, and they had just got this type of floor plan in a bigger camper, and they absolutely love it.
Yeah, a little different brand, but the same floor plan.
Yes, they absolutely love it.
And this extra space in here makes a huge difference. So you saw those 3 drawers there. Plenty of room under there for a garbage can. Now this is going to have, we love to call this the swanky sink with the cup washer and your waterfall here and your drain, pull down faucet. It's great. Again, not solid surface, but this does help keep the weight down a little bit in here. You do have a 12-volt compressor fridge in this one.
Yep.
And I guess technically this could be your coffee bar. Yeah, there is a light there. Got some storage drawers, some little storage right there. There is a plug-in right there at the end. And if you can see up there under the counter, there's a plug-in and a USB on that. Let me back up again just a little bit where you can see all this storage up above. Very, very nice. And then finishing out your living and kitchen area, you're going to have a table here that's going to extend. You have 2 traditional chairs, and then you've got this bench over here that can move out. You can use it as an ottoman, storage, whatever you need.
Wow.
Again, nice big windows in this slide out, and a really great lighting package because, hey, it's Jayco. That's just what they do. Coming into the bathroom, I'm just going to show you this side of the door real quick. You've got a towel bar that's mounted there already and your tissue holder. So you don't have to worry about drilling any holes yourself. Now, Jeremy is 6 feet tall. There is a skylight in here. Plenty of headroom. This looks to be like a 36 by 30, 32? Yeah. Good size shower. No issues there.
Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
Now we're going to get hit for copyright infringement.
Nope. We actually had a comment to you that said, let Jeremy sing.
Yeah, but you guys don't live with him, so you don't know. Right up here, you got one of these really cool fans. I like those a lot. Foot flush toilet in here. It is porcelain, so you should have plenty of leg room. Again, there's your heating. And look at this. That. I like this.
Oh.
Okay, have we not seen one with a drawer at the bottom? I like that.
That is cool.
I love the space that you have around the sink in here, and again, you do have a mirrored medicine cabinet.
Wow.
I'm sure you want to see this. You got to plug in over here and all that good stuff. And then you have a living closet. Now, this closet is accessible from the bedroom too, so we'll show you that on the other side. But yes, he was hiding the little golden plunger.
Golden plunger.
This is going to get the golden plunger award.
I like it.
It does have a good shower. It does have good storage, and it's got good space. So it hits all the marks. I like it. Oh, and that bathroom has a lock on the door, which is really nice. Y'all, look how crazy my hair looks today. It's windy out here. You are going to have a king-size bed in this slide. And this is a great big slide.
Oh, my goodness.
Lots of storage underneath. And you knew that there was some storage on the outside, but they're actually separate. So you can't have some weirdo crawling through your storage and get under the bed at night.
Weirdo, she
That's a
said.
fear of mine, okay? Windows on both sides. You're going to have blackout shades. And now here's the other side of that linen closet. So you can use it from both sides. If you can see down here, you've got your water has already been run.
Yep.
So you can put a combo unit in here if you would like.
There's where I can drill a hole for the dryer side.
Yes, you and all those holes you like to drill.
I love to drill.
Scary.
Yeah.
In here, you are going to have a second AC unit. Guys, I mean, look, this is lots and lots of floor space in here. And this is a travel trailer. Remember that. This is not a fifth wheel. You've got 6 drawers here in your dresser at the foot of the bed. There is a plug-in and USB right there at the end of it. And if you want to add a TV, the backer is going to be right above your window. But hold on. Just like the commercials, there's still more. Wow. So you've got this really great hanging area. And this is going to be behind a sliding door, so that's mirrored. And there's a shelf at the top.
And then you've got this little middle section.
Crazy hair again that's sticking up all over the place. Another hanging area. You got a shelf down here at the bottom.
The light.
More lights. There's just really good lighting in here. But wait, you have a third section. So, I mean, hey, you cannot say that you didn't have enough room for your clothes and shoes.
I didn't have enough room.
There is his knee is in the way, but there's a plug-in on this side right down there.
Wow.
So yeah, this is just some great space. Again, if you want a fifth wheel layout.
Plug-in over there too. I didn't know if you saw it.
Oh, sorry guys, I didn't point out that plug-in.
There is a plug-in down there.
And your heating is also down there.
Sorry, I saw a squirrel.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what I was saying is, if you love the fifth wheel layout, but don't want any steps, come check this one out.
You know, and I do believe the comment about me singing, I think it actually come from Bob.
Bless his heart.
Yeah. I think, we're going to be together soon, and I think I'm going to sing him a little Elvis tunes. Okay. All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco Eagle with this rear living setup travel trailer, the dealership's information be down in our description, and like everything, or everything, subscribe to the channel. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.